Self-efficacy is actually what Albert Bandura says is the greatest predictor of human behavior that we have. Collective teacher efficacy is not possible without first starting with self-efficacy. I can't be part of a team that believes I can meet the needs of all learners if I don't believe I can teach every kid that's in my classroom. The logic model goes like this. If I am a leader and I create an environment where teachers have a safe place to fail, they take risks, they innovate, they experiment, then their teaching effectiveness increases. And so when teachers increase their effectiveness, student learning goes up, which helps teachers' belief increase in their capabilities to cause learning, but also in turn allows student self-belief to increase. So it's imperative that we look at our self-efficacy so that our learners can have strong self-efficacy, so we can keep people in the field and get the results that we need